Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to obtain the table like this using HTML code. So this is the basic table of we have obtained using HTML code. So for this, open the notepad. I am using a notepad. Then this is the basic HTML code with tag, opening tag and closing tag. First of all, doc type HTML tag, then opening HTML, then opening head tag, then opening title tag, then closing head tag, then opening body tag, and then this is the um, opening body tag. Then this is the we show this error, opening body tag and closing body tag and closing HTML code tag, sorry. Then to create the table like this, we will write the code. So first of all, I will write the code and then I will explain it to you later in simple way. So first of all, we have to create the table like this. Then first of all, we have to specify the table border equal to 1 x, so padding is equal to 10, so spacing is equal to 0, and this tag is equal to then this table border means the wide of this outer side of table, and cell padding means the distance between this table, this table means this is the cell padding. You can see the in figure, and here is the space between this is the result of cell padding. And cell spacing means the distance between space between these two boxes. This is this vertical line that separates these two boxes. And style wide is equal to 60% means this is the total size of the table. That means it is the 60% size of table. And then we have to create this data. We have to write this data. For this, we have to open table row tag, and yes, these are the table head of the table. So table head, table head, and then name, closing table head tag, table head, and max table head, and closing table row tag. After this, you can see here is you can see the horizontal line is the row and this vertical line is the column. So we can see here is no horizontal line. That means here is no row and here is the horizontal line, and we can see here is the one between this one table, this particular table, we can see there is one column. So how we get this? So to get this, we have to use table head is equal to row spn is equal to row and is equal to row, right? And table collision is equal to 2. So the collision 2 means we have divided this single table into two parts. That means this max table is one from this particular table is divided into two parts, and the horizontal line between this SN and name is removed with the use of row span. That means it emerges into or it distributes after the use of row span. If we use like here, if we use collision, and we can get the code here. So you can see this is the result. Now I will show it later. I will show the output later. This is the basic output. Here the first of all. So here is. So now I will show it later and explain it later. And then open table row, and this we have to. This is the collision, and we have to give the data here in figure and in words. Table data in figure, table data in table data and closing table data. So basic, you can see that this is the one particular horizontal line, and you can see this horizontal line emerging here. So we have to give the data in this particular box. So we have used CoLSpan, and after using CoLSpan, the data value comes here. So after this, we have to give the data to this row line. Means we have to give the data to this row line, as we have already given data to this basic particular row in figure and inverse using table row, and we have to use closing table row tag. Now we have to give the data to this table or to this row, particular row. So we use table row tag and table data one dot table data table comes here. So and table data 81 in figure table data yeah, 81 table data, and we use the closing table row tag. Now we have particularly written the code for this particular one single row. Now we have to write the code for this second row. So for this base and now to Undertaker 88 88. Now as we have opened the table opening tag, we have to close this tag. So we use closing table tag. So now control save, and we will show the output here. You can see the output has came. So you can see we have written the code like this. So you can see the output here. You can see this is the code and this is the output of table, but I will explain you from here. So if I put table border is equal to 2 or 3, then I control save, then you can see the output, the outer table line. You can see it is much bolder and darker, and I will show you one by one. If you use cell padding is equal to 15, you can see the space between these two boxes and every box. The size of the boxes has increased. You can see the size of box has increased. And now cell spacing, this is the space between two boxes. If I use 4, control save, I think this may hasn't worked. Basic code like I will control copy in case of any problem. So I has used cell spacing is equal to 4. So now reloading. So you can see the space between the boxes. You can see the I will show you here. So as I used cell spacing is equal to 4. You can see the space between the two every boxes. Here is the space. So after I use style is equal to white, this means 40%. Control save, and this I refresh it. You can see the size of the box or table. Then this means row span is equal to 2. As a name, you can see if I use this row spans means that you can see any row here or horizontal line between this. Yes, this line have to. If we hadn't used the row span, control save. Look here, the boxes will look like this. So to remove this variable output, we have to put the table row span is equal to so, and then control save and put, and we get the desired output. So after this, the row span is equal to 2 name. We cannot see any horizontal line between this reaction and name. This means we have returned the successful code, and this is the max, and between this max we have to give the data in this max and in figure and inverse. That means CoLSpan. This single, I will show you, notice here, this is the one box, and this one box is again divided into two boxes. That means 2 column. This will confuse you, so I will place the cell spacing is equal to 0. Control save. So here is the box without any cell spacing. So after that, we have to give the data in this particular boxes. So we have used table data in figure, in notes, table data. If we had used like this row span in here and cool span here, you can see the desired output. This particular data will be transferred to this data. Okay, cool span. You can see here. As I had written, the cool span is equal to 2 and name table is name. So the data is transferred to name in figure in nodes. But we don't need this. This is not the desired output that we need. So cool span equal to, and here is the cool span. So we get the output like this. So after this is the table data we success here. So then we give the data to this from this row to this row. We give the data. This is the syntax of the HTML code rule. So table data. This is the table data, and table. If we use like table tag in John Cena, then the data will be, or the name will be much bolder. Here you can see the data is, or John Cena name is much bolder. So this is the data. We don't need this table data, and you can see we have given the data and closing opening tag, and this is the total data. You can see here. This is the closing table tag, and this is the desired output we need. So the particular line has been in the leftmost side of the box. We want this type of we want the result like this. The name in figure in words in center of the box, like center of the box, and in particular orange way. So for this we have to use the align. That means table row align is equal to center. So after this, in figure, you can see here the in figure word is in the left, is to the left side of the box. So we have to keep in the center of the box. So for this we use align is equal to center. So you can see the difference between the use align is equal to center and non-use align center. So here is the reload page. You can see in center, in nodes are in center. You can particularly see it. Name all of the data are in center, and John Cena where all are in figure are in center, and you can see in figure in nodes, and we want this 81 in the center box. This means we have to use align is equal to center. Control save. Look, the data has been transferred to the center of the box, but we have not used we haven't used any data type or in any align is equal to center in this particular code. The data are in the left of the box. So if we use align is equal to center, now you can see here Undertaker is equal to 89. Now there is one more. You can see this is a 1, 2, 3, 4. The total number of row is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you can see here is the table row span we use because 1, 2. This particular above box contains 2 row, so we have used 2 row. If this is the example. So this table contains 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes. So if I will show you how to use any further code like table head, table row, table row, table head, row, SPN is equal to 5. Click here. Sorry. In table here. Closing table go tag. And now you can see the output. You can see the output, click here, but we don't want it here, so we use table go line equal to here center Control Z. Sorry, we have to use the column span. 1 2 3 4 5, these are the column, so we have to use the column span. So you can see here the desired output. If we use column span, this means 1 2 3 4 5. There are 4 column span. This means 1 2 1 1 2 3 4 5 5 column, and these are the vertical lines that are removed in this particular box. So this is the type of desired output that we want, and you can simply use this code to get the output like this. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.